Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so here I am on the Bitcoin $5 tick size futures market on the Digitex Futures Exchange. Bitcoin going a bit crazy right now, so it's really good for trading. I'm going to choose 10,000 contracts up here. This is the quantity that gets submitted when I click in the ladder. So if I click to the left of, this is the price of Bitcoin in the central column. I click to the left of the price I want to buy at, my order goes in. I'll click on it to cancel it. This is an unmatched order right now because I'm up away from the price. Click on it to cancel it. If I want to just put my order in there, you can see I'm getting filled. Sell in here. Put my buy order in here. You can see I'm getting filled. So here's my balance up here, 674. What's that? That's like 10 grand or something at the current price. So I've got 50x leverage set. So you'll see here. So with the current balance I've got, I can buy and sell 74,000 contracts. That's the position size I can build up long or short, is 74,000 contracts. So I'm throwing around 10,000 clips, so I'm well in my range there. All right, so let's start trading. So really want to show you is it's nice and volatile right now. It's really liquid. I just want to show you how you can run around stealing ticks, getting on these tiny little micro trends, taking 2-3 ticks. The more volatile it gets, you can get a bit more daring. And just show you just how much, it's just a lot of fun apart from anything else. Right, so that trade that I did just there, I bought at 730, 22,730, sold it at 22,735. So you can see my P&L is now 1,000 Digitex up. So that's because 10,000 contracts up here, you'll see it's 0.1 Digitex per tick. So every time it moves up and down, it's 0.1 Digitex per tick per contract. So 10,000 contracts means I'm making 1,000 Digitex for each tick, which is about the equivalent of doing buying and selling 3 Bitcoins at a time. Because the current price, 1.5 cents, 1,000 Digitex, what, $15. So if I make $15 by buying here and selling there, then that's the same as if I bought 3 Bitcoins at 22,730 and then sold 3 Bitcoins at 22,735. I've made $5 on 3 Bitcoins is $15. So buying and selling 3 Bitcoins is exactly the same as buying and selling 10,000 futures contracts. So just so you can figure that out. All right then, so let's carry on. That's enough chit chat. Let's try and get some trades in here. So it looks pretty steady at the moment. Hopefully something crazy happens with the price while I'm doing the video. Right, filled on that one. So I've bought at 22,740. Oh, yes, got that right away. Did you see that? Right, let's try and get 22,735. Bought that at 40, sold it at 45 instantly. And then it came back. Let's sell at 40, buy at 35. So here you can see this is still unmatched. So this means I'm now getting matched. So obviously means I'm now at the front of the queue because the next 8,500 contracts that trade at this price are going to be me. Here I'm at the front of that queue, got that. So, one thing you can do, so see, I've sold 8,192. If you want to get out of an odd size position like that, then just right click and it submits the size of your position. So I've sold that at 22,740. There you go, I've scratched it. I'm still at the front of this 22,735 queue. I only got 800 of them. Hopefully it dips down and gets me again. No. So you've got 807 contracts long, you can just right click and there I can sell 807 for a 3 tick profit. Oh yeah, 3 tick profit, look at that. All right. Not that I've got it yet, but it just looks to me like it might go up a bit, but that doesn't mean anything. You'll see from my trading style, I've always been a scalper, just ultra short-term trader. I got no idea what's going on with Bitcoin. I don't know why it's going up, why it's going down, especially in the course of minutes. it's just literally just running around, stealing ticks, trying to jump on tiny little micro trends, just in and out. If everybody's buying, I'm buying. If everybody's selling, I'm selling. You don't need to know why. So that's really the strategy. But you know, with zero fees and a one-click ladder, you can really do that. You know, you can go crazy, just buying, selling. You can be hitting, you know, bids, lifting offers. You don't have to worry about whether it's a maker order, or, you know, you don't have to worry about if it's a taker order. You've got no commissions. So instead of being stuck in a position and you can't get out because you're trying to get out at the ask price instead of just smashing the bid, you don't have that problem on Digitex because it really doesn't matter what price you get out at. You don't have the commissions to deal with. Got filled on that, changed my mind now. Let's take a one tick loss on that. There we go, get in that. Right, so that's a one tick loss. Let's smash this, come on. Aye. Short 2600 contracts, let's sell. I'm not getting filled much. I got 3,000, 3,700, 3,900. I'm getting it. Right, got it. Let's try for the one ticker. It's a little stable right now. There's not much going on, so I'm going for the one tick profits. Once it gets more volatile, then you can get those 2 and 3 and 5 tick profits. And when it gets really crazy, you can just start building up big positions. You know, if you get it right and you start buying, you can buy, and then you've got a big position. When that goes right, it's a lot of fun. Right, let's just get this off here if we can. Buying at 725. Sold it at 730. Buying it there. Yeah, let's try for a 2 ticker here. Come on. Yep, that traded. I've got 2,600 short, so I'll just right click here, see if I can get that off for a 3 tick profit. You can see I'm short from this price, so there we go, lovely. So 4,400 Digitex up now. What's that, like $60 or something? Right, okay, we want a bit more than that. Let's bought at 7. See if we can scratch it. Ah, come on. Let's try and lose a tick. Ay, come on now. Come on, I gotta get that. Let's try and lose. Come on. I'm getting that at least. We want a bit more excitement and action for this video, right? We want the price to start going crazy. But this $5 tick size is perfect for this kind of price that Bitcoin's at now. You know, we've got the $1 tick size, but it's too volatile at $1. It's just all over the place. You know, Bitcoin's crazy right now. The $5 tick size, there's no other market that's got that kind of tick size. It's, you know, it's pretty unique. I think it's really good. You know, it's volatile, but not too volatile. It stays on the same ladder without flying off the top and the bottom of the screen like the $1 does. I think it's a unique market, you know, to be able to just run around just buying and selling with no commissions at all and just stealing these ticks in a very liquid market. Come on, just give me it, come on. I think it's got a lot of legs, and we've cranked up the liquidity on here. I can't think of a better time to be promoting a Bitcoin futures platform, to be honest with you. So we got what we got. We didn't end up with Digitex City as planned, but we've got a liquid Bitcoin futures exchange, and we've got, you know, a social platform to help promote it. So that's what we're going to do. but we need a bit more action on Bitcoin's behalf here. Come on. See if we can get this one. 695. I'm still short, but I've only got 1150, so come on, look at that. Well, at least I'm short, but I'm not really very short. That's the kind of little drop you want when you've got, 30,000 contracts down. All right, let's should we do it? Fuck it, let's do it. Come on. Did we just get that horribly wrong? No, I don't think we did. Actually, I don't want that. Let's keep selling. I think it's going. Yeah. Let's just go short here. 20,000 short. The longer it takes, the more nervous I get with holding a position. So it didn't happen as I wanted. So I think I'm going to try and get out now. I like to just be in and out. The longer you stay in a position, the more risk there is. So as demonstrated right here. Get out here. I still think it's going down, but right, yeah. Let's go down. I still think it's going down. Let's go. Come on. Let's get rid of that. I don't want that. Let's sell. Oh, you little fucker. Okay, I'm getting it off at 660. Well, that buggered that up, didn't it? All right then. Well, this is a warts and all video, It's hella liquid, but you still got to get it right. But you can see how easy it is to get filled, though. Every 10,000 clip I'm throwing in, it's like buying and selling 3 Bitcoins. I mean, it's a decent size to be able to just buy and sell instantly the way you can. If you're willing to just smash things, you'll get filled right away. Like I'm short, let's just demonstrate that now. I'm short 23,000 contracts right now. If I wanted to buy them back just right away, remember I can just right click and I get my full position size. So if I right click here above where the spot price is, let's right click here and see how fast it takes to get filled. Right click, boom, 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 boom. See that? So, the liquidity is real. This isn't all just fake liquidity. I just threw in a, 23,000 contract bid there above price and it just got snapped up right away. It kind of fucked up my P&L here, but, that's a different story. Right, so going up now. We tried going short, fucked it up, so we go long instead. That's the strategy, right? Normally I'm just a scalper, but in these volatile times you can go for these 2 and 3 tick profits. let's get ambitious with this. Come on, let's go for a proper profit here. Let's just buy it. I think it's going up now, up to here. Let's buy it all the way up to there. Let's make that our strategy. We're buying it all the way up to 22,700. Mm-hmm. $22,700 is where we sell it. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Let's keep buying. Let's keep buying. Here we go. Hey. Nice little flurry up to 22,700. 40,000 contracts long. Here I'm getting this one, getting that. Pretty much got that, so almost. Remember when I showed you the leverage thing, I can buy up to like 74,000 contracts or something like that. 45,000 long now, so I'm still in there. I can still keep buying if I want. I just think it's going to go up to 22,700. So, in the interest of making a more interesting video, let's try and get that move. Right, here we go. I guess we could drop one off there as 2 at 680. Right. $50,000 contracts long now, so that's like what it's like owning. It's like being long 15 Bitcoins. So at $5 a tick, 15 Bitcoins, you're like $75 a tick. So every tick that it moves up and down, I'm making and losing $75. It's taking a little longer than I thought. The longer it takes, the more eager I am to get out. So you see I'm dropping my prices here for these sells. Got that one. But fuck it, let's buy it back. I don't want to sell it. Let's buy it. Let's build up a nice big position and ride it up to, yeah, fuck it. Let's not sell these either. Come on now. $22,700, yeah, that's when we start selling it. It's just so nice to be trading this kind of style without even thinking about commissions, you know. Whenever you're a scalper on a normal market, you know, you can grind out ticks, you know, you can do 1,000 round turns and make 10 ticks, but you know, in a normal market, that's a losing strategy because the commissions, you're actually down. So it's real nice to just be able to just click away and not even be thinking about commissions. It's really good. Come on now, I'm just trying to get a little movement here. Just, it's like a $50 movement I'm after here, really, you know, and That'll turn out really nice if we get that. So I'm about even. My P&L was this. This is my unrealized P&L, so I'm just about even now. So if I can get this rise with this kind of position, I'll have a nice little profit. Oh, come on. For the video. Do it for the video. Come on. I mean, I don't really want to be buying more, do I? I'm just waiting for that flurry up. It goes so fast, you know. It's just... Like I say, I wouldn't usually trade like this. This is more for the purposes of the video to try and get a decent profit stacked up. You know, usually I would, you know, just scalp, single ticks, double ticks. You know, that's the safest way of moving forwards. You go forwards slower, but you don't really go backwards. This kind that I'm showing you now, building up this big position and going for the, you know, it's less safe. You'll have more losses doing this, but when you do get it right, it's, you know, you notice it. So you see I'm long from here. I'm just trying to get really a $50 movement up, which, you know, the price of Bitcoin right now, $50, it moves that all the time. So I think we got a decent chance. Come on, let's buy some more. I guess we should sell one of them off here maybe. Getting filled on that. Getting filled. So I'm at the front of this, so every time this trades, it comes off here. So I'm at the front of this one, the front of this one. It's always nice to be on the front of both queues. You know, buying it at 670, selling it at 680. You know, I've got 179 here, got 400 off there. It's real nice when that happens. Getting filled here, getting filled there. Lovely. Come on, we just want that push up now. Come on, a $50 rise. That's all we're asking for. And if it doesn't, at this stage, I've still got a chance to, you know, bail and not, the loss won't be too bad because I am on side. I've managed to build it up a little bit as I go on side. So, you know, it's looking like a good bet at the moment. You know, it could go up there and I'll do well. If it comes down, I can kind of get away with it. It's a little stagnant at the moment. That's the thing, it's just, you just never know when it's going to be good, when it's going to be bad. You know, this market's open 24/7, 365. It never ever stops. It's always moving, it's always liquid. So, you know, it's a very attractive market to trade. So basically here I just bought 10,000 or well 7,000 here and I've been selling them off there. So that was a nice little 2-ticker in the middle there. Almost got all this, almost got all that. So you can see I'm a little bit up now. Unrealized is 20,000, 26,000. So I just need this push up. Boop, boop, boop. That'll be lovely, lovely. Do we buy more? Come on. I mean, it still looks to me like it could go, you know? Front of both queues, that's always nice. Oh, no, not this one. Yeah, it should be. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's get in this. Oh, balance is not enough. 63,000 contracts. Ooh. Okay, we've got that one off. Right, so I'm pretty much at my limit of being able to buy. I guess I should start dropping them off. It just still looks like it could just go, you know, it doesn't have to go far, just diddly-diddly-dum. It could do that in like 30 seconds. Come on, for the video, come on. So I'm clawing that loss back. The P&L is minus 12, unrealized is plus 32. I just need a few more ticks up. Come on, just boing, boing, boing. Oh yeah, there we go. Get this one. Let's see if we can get 22,700. Oh, you beauty. Come on. Let's just drop them in there. Just look at that. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Let's see if we can get all them. Wouldn't that be just dandy? It still looks like it could to me. There's the 22,700. Right, so that was the target I was going for, 22,700. Got that. We just need $20 above that and we'll be out nicely. Nicely, sir. Come on now. At the front of this queue, so 705 is looking good. Yeah, there's that spot price going up nicely. Look at that. Oh yeah, come on. Front of the 710, getting the 710. Gonna get that. Look at that spot price. Yip. Getting that. Getting 715. Oh, you beauty. You see I was here long from here. Just been building up the position, dropping them off, building it up. It's just grinded up nicely. Come on, look at that spot price, 717 the spot price. Give me this 715, you little fuckers. There you go, getting that. 17,000 contracts long now. 21,000 realized profit and another 20,000 unrealized. So come on, let's get this off. Yep. And then we just got one more at 720, getting that. Oh, come on now, beautiful. Yep, come on now. Give me that 720, give me the rest of it. All right, well. Looks like I'm gonna get it, but I don't want to hang around another 5 minutes to get, you know, 4,000 contracts. So let me just cancel that, right click here and get that. So there you go, zero position, 44,000 Digitex. So 1,000 Digitex is $15, so 44,000, what's that? It's like, what, $700, something like that. Nice. So, you know, that wasn't very long. I was trading relatively big size, you know, built up that 60,000 long position, which is the equivalent of owning like 18 Bitcoins. So, you know, just playing around with some decent size. You saw I had no problems getting filled. You know, $700 up. It's just a lot of fun. And yeah, I won't keep rambling on. That's the end of my little video. Thanks, guys. And I'll be making more of these videos. I'll be posting them around. I just really want to show you know what we got here. This is just the best time to be doing, you know, promoting something like a Bitcoin trading platform with no fees and high liquidity. You know, we're in a good position. Things haven't worked out the way we expected with Digitech City. Things are still moving with that. But in the meantime, we got 2 products, we got a plan, and onwards and upwards. All right, cheers guys, thanks a lot, bye.